Okay, JJS and Heroes Battlegrounds updated. I was gonna make a video on JJS, but I guess Heroes Battlegrounds first. So, I guess gonna where is human art? Oh, Overhaul. Jetstorm. What is? Yo. Okay, that's cool. It's a launch move too. Yeah, I don't know how anyone is gonna dodge that if it's like that fast. Well, it might be blockable though, so that might. Let's see the finisher for it. Damn, that's cool. Okay, we're gonna go on to Overhaul now. Flesh Chimera, the giant dude, and giant bird. So renovation.
Garbage.
Okay, I missed. Okay, you got a gun. Dirty work. What's a lunge? So how am I supposed to hit that then? In like a actual combo? Like, do you like... Okay, I guess you could land it like that. Oh, there's a finisher for that as well. Boom. Damn. Yo, Angelo, my... Okay. So that's all. So now we're just gonna go on to the
forgot
PvP.
to say this, like and subscribe.
Okay, I'm gonna go Lida first. You. Come here. Okay, the daughter. He's an ult. I think I'm good off that. You, come here. Why are they all in you? I hit him. I wanted to buy more rivals, but yeah, Emma Frost is so OP. Is he not fighting back? Come on, bro. Fight back, bro. Yeah, Emma Frost is like probably gonna be my main tank because like she's very versatile. And dude. Okay. Yeah, I wonder what Ultron is gonna be. Yeah, I'm just really excited to see Ultron's gameplay. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. And why are you... And he's done. Yeah, it takes like 17 or 20 hours to get a Lord on character. I spend most of my times on Spider-Man or Moon Knight. But I already have Lord on Moon Knight. Oh, he's gonna do that. It's not... Come back here. Yo, so many people are just... You knew it. Boom. I'm almost having my ult. I got my ult. Who will get killed first? Oh, they have a new. Okay, that's new. Alright, let's see. I landed it. Okay. I finally landed an alt move. Boom, boom, boom. I forgot which one is the one where you... Oh, that's the one. Yeah, I was talking about the one where you go up in there and slam them.
Garbage!
Okay, you can't hit down players. He's not trying to fight back. No, he's going after someone else. You will die. Boom. Alright, this is gonna be the finisher, right? Okay, yeah, it is. Boom. Dead. Oh.
Garbage?
Damn it. I still don't know how to land Mach 10. Yo, that Deku. I don't trust that Deku. And okay, I'm gonna swap to Overhaul now. Yo, my moves aren't even loaded in yet. Boom. Oh, sure, I forgot that's a lunge move. Yo, what'd I do? I'm lagging. Hey. He's circling around like a vulture. I don't know what he's trying to do.
Oh, sure, you can do that.
Whoa. You can wall combo someone on the pillar? Dude, someone, he's up. Never mind. Hey. Yo, that range is... I don't know how to land that. Okay, so you gotta press S when you're wanting to land that. The hit markers on Overhaul is kind of weird. What? I dashed. Not use evasive. Is he still alive? Oh, boom. Is he gonna come back? I have a feeling he's gonna come back. That's what he said. So why does it take this long? Oh my friend. There's no shot he swapped his stain. I have 2 moves. He has 8. Oh no, I'm out.